Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you if it is possible to report lost Facebook page. Then yes, if you have lost access to a Facebook page on the Android app, the process for reporting it's a bit different and here's what you can do. So watch the video till the end. First launch your Facebook app and tap on the top right corner of the three line icon, and after that you need to scroll all the way to the bottom and find help and support. Select that and select the option that says report a problem. Scroll a bit down and tap on continue to report a problem, and it's creating report, and select the include option which is on the bottom, and you have to scroll until you find a page option right over here on the bottom of the notifications. Tap on that and you can upload from your phone that which account, which page you want to report, and after that describe the issue of it, why you want to report it. And after that, on the top right corner of that arrow, you can simply tap on the send option, and Facebook will reach out the page that you want to report, and Facebook will then review your report and take appropriate action. Be sure to check your email or notifications within the Facebook app for any updates on the status of your report. It's essential to be patient during this process as it may take some time for Facebook to investigate and resolve this issue. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.